Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on this 2016 Infiniti QX70. So any screen, you've got map there and destination. If I click on destination, push enter button or touch OK to accept, that's just to say you're not going to be distracted. And then new address, we want postcode, so I'm just going to turn this up and just see if it is touchscreen as well. I perhaps shouldn't have done that because now I need to go back. So we'll go back. So we want postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and it's PR54EA. It may well be I need a space in the middle because there's only 2 digits, but I'll just click list. PR54EA. Yeah, Higher Walton. It's brought it up. That's it. That's all I need. Click OK. Just turn that up. And start is up here in the corner. Click start.
Starting route guidance to your destination.
So it's a pretty simple system to use, to be fair.